This motherfucker. He supposed to be a soldier boy, right?
Soldier, nigga.
Why the hell this nigga is standing up? And we halfway done with the tattoo. What you do? I'm about to say that. What you doing though? What you doing though?
I ain't doing shit now. Chilling, nigga. Push up, nigga.
Yeah, why you doing? We gotta do a tattoo though.
Nah,
we gotta do a tattoo though.
What you do? A push up, nigga.
Come on, man. Get in the chair. Yo, we in here watching that baller blocking, man.
Yeah.
You know, we get it.
We live.
Look at this nigga here. He finally came back.
We live up here, nigga.
20 minutes later, he finally came back. Man, we got 3 more lives to go, and he tripping. Come on, let's show him what we're working with. Tighten up. What you waiting for the flash, niggas? Ain't no picture, nigga. It's a video. Look at
this motherfucker hurt, man.
This shit don't hurt.
You know what I'm talking about? This shit hurt, nigga. It's been a minute, niggas. I got me a tattoo.
Man, it been 2 damn months, man. Tighten up.
Damn, dog. How you gonna tell a nigga search himself?
Tighten up, man. Man, we'll be back. Stay tuned.